Hello and welcome to today's BreadX video.
Today we're going to be discussing the problems of commercial and subsistence farming and different possible solutions for these problems. One of the problems that we'd like to talk to you about is the importance of biodiversity, or in the case of commercial farming, lack of biodiversity. Just in case you aren't familiar with the term, biodiversity refers to how much variety in life there is in a given area.
At a large commercial farm, they specialize in a single crop, like wheat. That means that most commercial farms have little biodiversity. This type of single plant, low biodiversity farming is quite risky. For instance, an entire farm's crops could be destroyed by a single disease or pest. On a farm that has lots of different crops, only a fraction of what the farmers are growing might be affected, and it would be much less catastrophic.
A second problem with commercial farming is that it really stresses out the soil. If you keep growing the same crops over and over again in the same dirt, you're going to use up all of the nutrients in that soil specific to that crop, like wheat. So relatively quickly, the soil is going to get completely depleted of those nutrients, and the soil will no longer be useful for growing that crop.
At a well-managed farm, growers rotate different types of crops each year so that the nutrients in the soil can be replenished and the soil will remain fertile for years to come. Another system that some farmers use instead of crop rotation is planting different types of plants that fulfill specific purposes for the farm.
This system of using different plants in a farm is called crop cocktail. Crop cocktails have been growing in popularity lately. One of the most useful things about crop cocktails is that they can be customized to fit the needs of the farm and of the soil. We have a video below about how farmers today are dealing with the issue of biodiversity and an article about how the effects of crop cocktails are studied. Please check them out.